Hey, this is Tillman Tech Help, and we've been looking around for a good solid iPad stand, tablet stand that you can use for point of sale systems. Let's get the box open and see what we've got in there. Sweet, so once we've got the box unpacked, you'll see these are the various pieces, some instructions. There's a little bag that has all these screws in. There's 4 that have a Phillips type head on them, so you will need a Phillips screwdriver to assemble this. There's also 3 with a hex head, and it does come with a small Allen key that you can use to put all of that together. So the only tool you really need is a good Phillips screwdriver. This is the base unit. It's quite heavy, you know, I guess that's you know, way over a kilo, maybe a couple of kilos there. And it also has screw holes in it, and these screws that come with it, so you could bolt it down, but you know, they're pretty excessive, so it would depend on your countertop as to what you'd want to do with that. Right, let's get this assembled. So what you're going to use, you want to attach this onto here, and to do that you're going to take this little plastic piece out of the bag that's got all the rubber bits in, and you just see where the clips go inside there. Get that plastic piece on like that, and then we want that to go onto there, which is the 3 hex screws you're going to use for that. Okay, once you get those 3 hex screws in, tightened up, this is the base of your stand. What we have to do now, this is going to go on here, and this goes on top of this piece, so probably best to put this on first. Inside this here is this little nut here, so if this is too loose moving around, just tighten that nut up a little bit before you put this on here. That then sits on there, and we screw it through from this side using the 4 Phillips head screws that come with it. Okay, once you get those 4 screws in there, you don't want to over tighten them too much. It's just biting into the plastic there. It's got the actual threads and metal, but you don't want to crack any of this, so just make sure they're nice and snug so it's not going to come undone. And we need to attach this piece onto here, and inside the bag you'll find these 2 plastic pieces here. Just put one of them in there. Don't push it all the way through, just put it in a wee bit like that, and this side will do the same. That will allow us to push that onto there, and then you can push them in. Try and do it from this side, push them in tight, and that'll be enough just to hold it in place. Okay, so then we've got this hex bolt to go through, and a spring washer and the small washer, and it doesn't look like it's going to fit, but let's give it a try and we'll see what happens, eh? I feel like that's screwing into anything. I don't think that's right. I'm going to take that washer off because I don't think that lets it get through properly. We'll leave that spring washer on and just see what happens. Yeah, that's better. So that washer there seems to be too large to fit in the hole properly, so it can't screw all the way through, so just leave that one off, and that'll allow you to tighten this up properly. We're not going to over tighten it too much now, because we want to be able to adjust it to about where we want before we tighten it down completely later. Okay, now we can have a look there. You can see the general idea of it, and tilts up and down satisfying. Now we'll get these rubber bits out of here and put them on here just to protect your tablet a bit more. If you've got one of the old thick tablets, you might not want to put these on because you're just bringing it out a bit off this. This is already soft anyway, so you probably don't need these, but for my tablet it's quite a new one and it's a thin one, so this will just help it to be gripped in there properly, give it an extra couple of millimeters that it'll stick out for it to attach to. So we'll add those. Kind of a weird angle, not sure if I got that in the right place. Okay, grab our iPad, tablet, whatever you're using. Galaxies will fit in here as well. And just move your tablet along so it's on this one that doesn't move. And then you can move these ones in to hold the top and bottom. And finally, push that one in from the side there. Make sure everything's all where it should be. You're looking in the back here for a hole somewhere. Let me see if I can locate it. There it is there. And the tool you want is the one that comes, it's a torque. Looks like about a torque 10 maybe. You're going to put that in there. Make sure these are all clipped in place. And then you can just tighten down on that torque screw in there. And that's going to lock all those arms in so no one can just grab your iPad and disappear out of the store when you're busy. Okay, that's locked down now. These arms are not going anywhere. There's no way you could get that out of there. And once this is bolted down onto your counter, screwed down onto your counter, this is really secure. So then you adjust it wherever you want it to be, whether you're using it, you know, either way, horizontally, vertically, whatever suits you. Get the angle where you want it, and then you can tighten this up a bit more and make it so it can't move at all. But yeah, that's a nice looking stand, very sturdy, it's all metal. It's got these holes here you can put the cables through as well if you're going to need to charge it during the day. But yeah, at least that means nobody's going to be able to disappear with your expensive tablet or iPad. And you know, these stands are going for $300-400, but we've got them for under $150. Finally found a good supplier for these. Cool, thanks for watching.